culture, the arts, and technology. This is the combination of the past, of the present, and of the future. My question is, are you guys ready? You can't do better than that. Are you guys ready? Yes! And if you are, I welcome you to our event. This is the grand launch of the next generation of LG AI TVs. Let's give LG a big round of applause. Definitely. Life's good. Life's good. My name is Robin Domingo. And just like you, I am an avid LG user. Right now, we are standing under the majestic tree of life. This great design now. This beautiful structure represents how our country's unique ecosystems, from towering out the richest of life and marine lives and trees, are all connected. And speaking of appreciation, the buildings in our government, the National Museum of the Philippines, I know you guys are taking lots of snaps and clips using your smartphones and your cameras. So please don't forget to join our social media contest. Yup, we got a contest and you know what